In this video, I will go over one question from your week 6 homework assignments. Now, this question is asking you to find the critical value ZC necessary to form a confidence interval at the level of the confidence shown below. So this is your level of confidence, and if you draw a normal curve, a standard curve, your level of significance is the area between minus ZC to ZC. So 0.97 is the area, this area right here. The level of significance is the area between the negative ZC to positive Z of C. And now they ask you what is the value of Z of C here. So we know that the area of the whole curve is 1, because this is the standard normal curve, and the area of the whole curve is 1, and we know that 0.97 occupies this region. Therefore, to find the rest of the other two tails, to find the area of the two tails of the red colors, all you do now is the area of the red colors is equal to 1 minus the one in the middle, 0.97, to get you the area of the two region of the red color, and that is 0.03. Now we are looking for Z of C. So in order to find that, well, you need to use the standard normal distribution table to help you to find that. And let's go to that table. So this table here is the standard normal distribution table, and the values here, they represent the area to the left of the z-score, So now let's go back to our picture here. In order to find the value of Z of C at this point, you need to find all the area to the left of that, because by the definition of the table, these numbers here represent the area to the left of that z-score. So now you need to find all the value to the left of Z of C. So from this point and all the way to the left of that, and we know that we have 0.97. Add to this region here. Remember, this area 0.03 is for two of them. So this is one of the two, so we can take 1/2 of 0.03, because the two tails, they are symmetric. So each of them is 1/2 of 0.03, the whole things here. So 0.97 add with the red tails here, which is 1/2 of 0.03. So it's give me the area of 0.985. So the area from here, Z of C, from the critical value Z of C all the way to the left, is 0.985. And now we go to the table, we look for that value 0.985 to see what is the corresponding z-score, the critical value. So go to here, 0.8985. Okay, so 0.985, where is that? 0.97, 0.986, 985 is here. 0.98500. This is 0.9853, but you want 0.985 only. So this is the closest value that is matching to the value that we are looking for, the area to the left of z, that's z of c. And here, 0.985 corresponds to 2.1 right here, and 0.07. So 2.1 plus 0.07, that is 2.17. So this value here corresponds to the critical value of 2.17. So z of c should be equal to 2.17. So that's how you find the critical value given a level of confidence. So 2.17, and then it go back here, 2.17, and they need you to have 2 decimal places, which is correct, and you can check the answer. Okay, so that's how you perform question number 3 on week 6 assignments. Thanks for watching.